Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change the region on Netflix. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Netflix app on your mobile device and make sure you are signed in. If you go to the Profile section from the bottom right corner and access the account settings, you will notice that there is no built-in option to change your region. To access shows from other regions, close Netflix and open a browser. Search for My IP address and open the first website to check your current connection IP. Since Netflix determines your available content based on your location, you need to change your IP address to a different country. For that, open the App Store or Play Store, search for a VPN, and download the most compatible one. Once the VPN is installed, launch it and connect to a server in your desired country. After establishing the connection, go back to Netflix and refresh the app. You should now have access to shows available in that region. So that's basically how you can change the region on Netflix. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.